Hello everyone, time to wake up. Okay, so we already launched yesterday, actually today morning, and the first access was given to the WhatsApp group because the inspiration came from there. So we are already live, and I'll just take you through the steps and, and then I'll give you the access code towards the end of this, okay? So when you go to Gossip DAO page, you will be asked for access code. The reason why we're doing access code is right now Gossip DAO is only for the people who are at Zugrama, because the chat room is specifically designed for people who are living here. The MVP was always supposed to be launched for people here. Then we ask you to connect one of your Web3 wallets. This step is very important. This is how we ensure that nobody knows who's posting what. Anonymity, exactly. And then like the format to post gossip is pretty clear. How gossip appears in the timeline is that each gossip expires in 24 hours. So the idea is that people keep on gossiping again and again, they post more and more. Then we also have a leaderboard. So every time you refresh, your name on the leaderboard changes. So that even if somebody by mistake, like if you have opened it on your laptop or something and somebody happens to like peek, they can't guess your name. And also if you notice, when the gossips are appearing, the names don't appear, who's posting. So when I say it's anonymous, it's literally anonymous. So, I mean, guys, start posting. And what happens to these points on leaderboard? So right now, we are not on chain, waiting for some funding. And I didn't even say anything. Okay, and more points you have, better airdrop you get once we get on chain. The team concept is by me. Arpit, Raj and Aryan have contributed a lot to this. And also I have to credit the WhatsApp group. It won't be possible without them. And this is obviously not the entire concept. While this is a fun experiment, the idea is always to combine our opinion marketplace with the option to trade opinions within a closed community. So I'll be sharing my light paper soon, probably by end of the day in the Telegram group, and I would love to hear feedback from all of you. So you can scan and start posting. It's gonna be called Goscoin for now, but yeah, I'm open to changing the name. Spill the tea. Herbal or verbal? Yes, exactly. So access code is somebody's name, 5 people's name actually, anyone works. So you have to guess who are the people who gossip the most. Get started. You were already in.
Awesome. Any questions for Geetika?
I think people are busy guessing. Any questions, guys?
I think there would be gossip on this in the DAO already. But how, like, I see this concept is something which is time immemorial. It's existed for the longest time. But what would be fun is how this can add to just getting information across, like a game of Chinese whispers, but done better.
Actually, Chinese Whispers is one of the name I'm considering when I rebrand.
Don't bring the Chinese in, bro. Like, don't do that. But, sorry, what? But,
yeah, please carry on.
But like, just, it'll be nice to see how you want to evolve this, because this will give you a lot of information. And not necessarily every project needs to have an evolution, but it becomes interesting. Like, it has, to me, I'm wondering what's the vision beyond. It becomes like anonymous page of college sites or group sites?
Okay, so how opinions marketplaces usually work is somebody puts out an opinion. For example, let's take a very, very generic one. Should we put cereal first or milk first? Okay, and people have very specific opinion on that. So eventually what people do is you create like two meme coins. One says cereal first and milk, another says milk first, and then you trade on it.
So there's going to be a teacup and a teaspoon.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's where I think it might evolve, but let's see.
You know, here, rather than...
Like, guys, can we keep it down in the back? Yo! Hey! Someone's presenting here. Can we keep it down? Can you guys sit down? Yeah, please sit down. Guys, I don't like to be a high school teacher here. What the fuck is going on? Sorry, yeah. Go ahead, Geetika.
Okay.
So, rather than expiring a gossip in 24 hours, if a gossip gets more attention, like, you know, a lot of people contribute, you can keep it going, right?
No, because then we'll have to select, right? Like we want the criteria to be same. And first, secondly, if you see, we are not validating gossip because that's a very difficult thing to achieve. Only thing we're speculating on, is it hot or is it like poo? So if it's interesting or not. So that's where we are at right now.
So based on if a lot of people say it's hot, like it'll stay? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
So it stays, the sorting is done in that manner right now. If something has like higher upvotes, it stays up for longer. So we are calculating the ratio between upvotes and downvotes, and even your leaderboard points are calculated on basis of how much you are posting and for how long your gossip stays on the top.
Yeah, you can create like graduation levels for each gossips to gossip become rumor, rumor become truth.
Yeah, that's a good
something
idea.
like that, you know, if more people go and participate.
Right. So right now we are working on two things from UI UX perspective. One is like giving people option to sort the gossips as per the latest gossip and trending gossip, because right now what we figured in the past 12 hours that we have been live is that a lot of good gossip gets pushed down because people have not seen it and not upvoted on it. And we are also thinking of creating like a trending section on the site so that people can have access to this. So yeah. Any other questions, guys? What? Tell me. Sorry?
He needs a name.
Who are the people who gossip the most? Top 6.
He tried everybody. Whose name should he use? Maybe try Geetika's name. See if Geetika. Did you try Geetika's name? Didn't work.
Small caps.
One suggestion. So check out stack.so. You don't actually need to launch your own on-chain points.
Right.
API integration, your on-chain points get launched on a base L3.
Okay, we'll check it. Thanks. Okay. Have you checked out opinions.fun by any chance? So now, right now, multiple chains are working on opinions marketplace. So how they typically work is that people, they are not private to anyone. There's no access code. Anybody can come. Anyone can post their opinion. And, you know, like people trade on it. So if more people think your opinion is right, for example, if we carry on with the milk and cereal example, should we put milk first or cereal first? If let's say 80% of the people who are betting believe that we should put milk first, and you are one of them, so you are making money. People stake on it. So there's a platform like that live on Solana, and from what I know, 3 other blockchains are building. Somebody is building on Base as well, actually. And how it will work is typically all those platforms are open to anyone. But here we are giving people an option to trade opinions in their own community. For example, Zugrama can be one of the chat rooms, one of the communities that's part of the bigger platform. And whoever creates that community gets to decide what are the criteria for joining. Yeah. Don't gossip for free. No, there's no winning. You get more points if your gossip trends for long. So we have this leaderboard, right? So whoever this person is, they have like significantly higher points than others. So when we go on chain, these people will get like a big airdrop of the tokens. The idea is for people to gossip more and engage more. So you get points for putting the gossip out. You get points if your gossip is trending, if you're engaging with other people's gossip. And I mean, once you guys try it out, my DMs are open. Please feel free to send your feedback. I guess we are done.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Next up, we have Millie presenting Eureka.